To integrate Dryfta with Salesforce using Zapier, you first need to have a Zapier account. So either you need to sign up for a free plan, or if you already have a Zapier account, you can click on login to log into your Zapier account. So I would click on login, enter my username and password. Now to bridge Dryfta with Salesforce, I need to make a Zap. For that I would click on make a Zap button on the top. Now I need to select Dryfta as the trigger app, basically the app from where I need to move my data. So I would search for Dryfta here, and then I would select new contact, because what I am doing here is triggering this app whenever a new contact is created on Dryfta. So I would select new contact and then click on save plus continue, and then I need to connect an account, a Dryfta account with Zapier. So I would go to my Dryfta backend and click on API to find my API key, or I can also generate a new API key from here. So I already have an API key, so I'll click on Symposium and then click on view key to copy my key from here and then enter it here, and then once entered I would click on continue to continue with the next step, and then I need to make sure that the connection has been established. So I would click on test, and if the connection is confirmed, it would display a message, and then click on save plus continue. Now Zapier would like to fetch a latest contact from Dryfta to make sure that this trigger is working. So I would fetch and continue. Before that I need to find out which is the latest contact in Dryfta. So this is the latest contact, low white, in my Dryfta platform. So this should what Zapier would fetch from Dryfta. So the text was successful. I can view my contact from here. Glow white is here. Now I'll click on continue to select the action app, that is Salesforce, that is where the data is going to be moved from Dryfta. So I would select Salesforce here, and then I have the option to create a new contact or a new lead. Since I am copying contacts from Dryfta, so I would make sure that those same contacts should be created in Salesforce. So I would click on create contact and then click on save plus continue. Now I need to click on connect an account to connect my Salesforce account with Zapier. So if it's already not connected, then it would ask you to allow Zapier to access your Salesforce account, and then you would click on yes, continue, and then it would connect your Salesforce account with your Zapier account. Now you click on test to make sure that it's all working fine. So it shows the success message. Now select your Salesforce account and then click on save plus continue. Now I need to map my Salesforce fields with my Dryfta platform fields. So in last name field I need to map fields, map a similar field from Dryfta. So this is the field which matches up with the field in Salesforce for last name, and then I need to map my email address. So email is here, and first name, from here now it's all pretty simple. Mailing street, I would select my address field from Dryfta. Mobile phone, I would select the phone number field, and that's it. Now click on continue to move on to the next step. Now this is the data which would be copied to Salesforce. So click on create and continue. So the setup has been successful, and now you can view your contacts in Salesforce. So currently you would see it's all there are 3 contacts. Now if I reload it, it would display the clue white which has been fetched from Dryfta using Zapier. So we have clue white, her email address. We also have a phone number. Some of the details: his mobile phone number, email address. So yeah, this is just about it. You're almost done. Now click on finish to create this app. Give it a name, Dryfta to Salesforce, and then enable it. Enable your Zap, so it can automatically check for any new contacts on Dryfta and move it to your Salesforce account. This action will be done every 15 minutes, and Zapier would sync your Dryfta account with your Salesforce account. So yeah, this is just about it. This is how you can integrate Dryfta with Salesforce. Thank you.